Good morning, students. We start the statistics topic, and in this topic, we have done the basic things of mean, mode, median, and many questions of mean we have done, but some important questions that we get regular in board exam also, and difficult questions also we will solve today. So look here. Here, one of that question is the mean of given data is 62.8. Here, mean is given to you. Mean is given to you. Okay, 62.8, and the sum of frequency means n is also given to you 50. You have to compute the missing frequency f1 and f2. Here two frequency f1 and f2 are missing, and then you have to find, means here f1 and f2 you have to find. Here class interval will be given to you, frequency will be given to you, and you have to this find f1 and f2. Look here, for 0 to 20 we have 5, for 20 to 40 we have f1, 40 to 60 we have 10, 60 to 80 we have f2, 80 to 100 we have 7, 100 to 120 we have 8. So for that, the sum of f is given 50. So we write here n equal to 50 all. Now look here, you check all the interval. What is the gap of this is 20. Gap 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 is 20. So h is 20. Look here interval is difference is 20. So you can use here step deviation method. Step deviation method is a very simple method. So we will use here the step deviation method. As you can use any method, no problem is here. But step deviation method is a simple method. So I use the simple step deviation method. Look here the frequency is already given 62.8. Okay, so 62.8 is where, in which interval we have? Here will be 60 and between 80, that is point is 62.8. Now first of all you have to find the class marks, that is x. What is the middle value? 10. What is the middle value? 30. What is the middle value? 50. What is the middle value of 60 and 80? 70. What is the middle value of 80 and 100? 90. What is the middle value of 100 and 120? 110. Now look here, this mean is here 60 and 80 between this. So we will suppose the assume mean is 70. Okay, so 70 is here assume mean. You can write here also that assume mean is 70. Now look here, you will add these 5 and 10, 15, 15 and 7, 22, 22 and 8 is 30. 30 plus f1 plus f2. So that is our n we get. This n equal to 50 is given in question, but we get this n is 30 plus f1 plus f2. Okay, this should both equal. So what we do, we can do first of all the you have to find. U calculations I given you that the finding u is very difficult, but we will write direct. The value is here assume mean is 70, means we write here 0, the above is -1, -2, -3. Here 1 and 2. Now you multiply f into u. F into u means 5 3 ja minus 15. This f into -2 -2 f1. 10 into -1 -10. f2 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 2 is 16. Now look here. In this total, you have to find f u. Before that, you can check here. 15 and -15 and -10 will be -25, and this is -2 f1. Similarly here you will add these two terms, you get here 23. So look here, 23 and this you will add, so you will get here -2 f1. This you will get. So look here, you will understand this portion. Now here one more case, this n is given to you. N is given means this both n will be equal 30 plus f1 plus f2, that is equal to 50. So we get here f1 plus f2, that is equal to 50 minus 30, 20 we have. This is equation number 1. Now what is the formula? Formula for the step deviation formula is x bar equal to a plus summation f u upon n into h. Now this x bar is given to you 62.8, but what we suppose here a we suppose here 70. Now fu we get -2 f1 upon n, and n we will use here 50 because 50 is given to you. This 50 we use, and h is the difference is 20. This portion we have to solve and we will find the value of f1. So look here how we can solve 62.8, this 70 we transfer, so we write minus 70, and this will minus, you can cancel the 0 and 0 and you will multiply by 2, so minus 4 you get, this you multiply minus 4f1 you get upon 5 you get. Now from this 62.8 you subtract 70, you get 7.2. 62.8 minus 70 you get minus 7.2, and minus 7.2 you multiply by 5 you get minus 36, and here this cross multiply minus 7.2 into 5 is minus 36, minus 4 and minus 4f you write as it is. Now this transfer the look here, you can transfer 36 in right hand side, 4f in left hand side, so 4f1 equal to minus 4 plus 36, that you get 32 and 4f1, so f1 equal to 8 we get. Okay, f1 equal to 8, put in equation 1, so place of f1 you put here 8, so you get 8 plus f2, that is 20, so f2 equal to we get 20 minus 8, that is we get 12. So you have this answer here, answer f1 equal to 8 and f2 equal to 12. So look here, this type you can solve this question. Hope you understand this solution.